while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat. So let me catch you. Let me catch you slipping by. Why do I
big blackbirds. Anyway guys, good morning guys. Good morning. It's really nice outside, but it's kind of chilly out then at the same time. But the sun is out. It's sad that I don't have mulch. I don't want to go to Home Depot and carry all the mulch. Oh, come here. Come here. That you get punished, huh? You're a hardhead, that's why. You don't step in cat's tail. Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning guys! Nag-ano lang ako guys ng sweater because I am really I'm cold. I don't know why I'm cold. I'm cold right now. And I'm going to do vacuum again, and the dog's freaking out because I took the vacuum out already. What can I tell you, Rox? You live with it, Rox. You have to learn. You have to learn that vacuum is part of life. Anyway guys, Tommy is not calling me yet. He used to call me early in the morning, and now I don't know. He's not calling me. And I understand he is tired because he got home last night. He doesn't call me, but he called me 10 o'clock and he's so tired. He got home, I think that was 2 o'clock. He told me he's gonna be or out something 2 o'clock in the morning, so he's so late get home. Hello guys! Hello New Yorker! New York, New York! Hello guys! I just talked to Tommy, and I just talked to Tommy, and Tommy is talking to me. What? Anyway guys, I told Tommy, hon, it's so lonely over here. I wish you were here. So weird. It's a nice day today, but I told him, if you are here, you're probably, he like this kind of weather that is just kinda not hot. It's kinda really nice for him. For me, it's not. But I told him, hon, I wish you're here. I wish you were here. So I really hate this eyebrow, guys. I don't know. Okay, you waiting now coming out. This is what she wants, guys. She is attention hound too. She's my first baby. Well, actually my second baby. She is my second baby. Boo Boo. She died. Before she died, guys, I inject her with, you know, she have the something. I inject her twice or 3 times a day. It's really heartbreaking, guys. That's the first time I see Tammy cry when Bobo died. He loved that cat so much, and she is my first ever love cat. She's my first love, Bobo. That's the first time I know how that I can love cat. We both crying. We're like losing the kid. We're in bedroom. We put her in the bedroom, and Tammy and I stay with her in our bed for a few hours, like 3 hours. Hi guys, I take off my my sweater. I'm still wearing the same thing from yesterday, from the other day. I don't do nothing, so why do I have to change? Guys, good luck to me. I'm gonna cut Roxy's hair. Yes, she's already scared, guys. She's already scared. She is already scared. Yes, it's right here. It's ready to cut your hair. She's jealous, guys. Come here, Rox. Come here. She's jealous. Misty's a good girl. Misty's a good girl. She's so jealous, guys. You heard her. She's like, Mitika. She's backing up. She's so jealous. You're such a good girl, you know. You're the best girl. Good girl ni mama. No, Mitika. You're a good girl. You're a good girl na Mitika. Miti ni mama. I love you. I love you, Miti. No, come here. It's time for you to be cut. You want to be cut? Oh no, I'm not gonna pick you off. Okay, come here. Stay. Be a good girl. No, Roxy. I know. I don't even want to cut your hair, but I need to. Okay. Guys, look at Roxy's here. This is gonna be a pin in the neck vacuuming the whole thing. Oh my god, Roxy looks different. I'll show you later. Hi guys, I kinda hungry. It's already 1:40. And Roxy, guys, if you will see Roxy, but I'm not gonna show you Roxy right now. Anyway, so Roxy looks like when we got her. Her color is just like that. Her color is just like that. Smaller version, and the face is kind of like smaller too. Now that she's grown, she grew up, her face is kind of extended. So yeah, but she looks when she was baby, the hair and thing is it. I thought she become turn out like ugly, but no, it reminds me of when she was a baby. That hair of yours. I'm just done vacuuming, cleaning up. It's just crazy. And the 2 dogs are sleeping. Hello guys, this is what Roxy looks like now. She looks like when she was a baby. That's her hair look like, guys. I really forget that's how she looks when she's a baby. Look at it. Roxy. There's no fan in her tail. There's no hair on her tail. What are you trying to do? Are you that pretty nail? Are you a pretty dog? You're okay. You're not ugly. Wow. Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Are you bayawing magiliwi? What are you doing now? What are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing, my love? How are you doing, my love? Are you too, my love? Oh, yes, you look like a baby. I don't really cut the hole here in his to protect his ear. And yeah, it still have long hair, but that don't work. And over here, look. It's gonna have a line over here. No, it's a scalp hair, and then that's why it looks funny though. It looks funny. Look at it. Look at it. Look. It looks funny. Kind of sad. She misses her hair. Did you miss your hair? Did you miss your hair, baby? Did you miss your hair? You did miss your hair, are you? I miss the hair over here. The fluffy hair is still very fluffy. I was sitting down here, guys, so he sat on my lap. He sat on my lap, and then he won't leave me alone, so I get up. And look, who's there? Him! Ay, nako! Ay, nako! Bulinaw! Ay, nako, bulinaw! Tomorrow morning, I have to leave early. Early tomorrow, so I'm gonna edit video for Tuesday. I have already video for tomorrow, Monday. That's why where I belong here. I belong here, guys. Roxy sat down. It's time for them to have their dinner. Oh, it's already 6 o'clock. It's not really yet. It's 5:59. Soon it's gonna be 6. That's really gonna be 6. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. When is this gonna be 6? Oh, it's already 6 on top. Now you're gonna be 6. 6 now. They're not the same though. The oven and the microwave. Why is that? I'm gonna give them something. 6 o'clock very soon. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, guys. 6 o'clock already, guys. This smells so good, right, guys? And yeah, so ay nako, ang bango. Ang bango talaga. So ito yung food ko, guys. Spicy vinegar, and then itong rice at saka dilis. So yeah. Oh, I have to add a little bit of vinegar. Using my hand. Maginamot lang ko, guys, ha, kay para enjoy ang pagkaon. Para ma-enjoy. Bisaya sa ako kadali, ha, kay para feel jud na ako ba. Crunchy. Oh, so good. So good. It's different from the one that I had. This is really good. And tomorrow, I'm gonna leave early here. I think I'm going to leave 8. Yeah, 8. And then come back here at 12 something. Yeah, because I don't want to leave the animals really late. Because I leave early, and then, you know what I mean? And then, no one will bring them to the bathroom. You guys wanna go out? It's very quiet. I feel like I'm back to the Philippine mountain. Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep early because I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow. Anyway, so I'm gonna end this vlog. See you tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna meet my Tommy, and then they're gonna come here. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and
just after midnight, while trying to
and say hi to Roxy, guys. Say hi to Roxy. She has a new haircut. She has a new haircut, my baby. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. And she said, this is her question. This is her comment. Hi, sis. I'm sure you're sis.